I'm Dr. Ari Deuk at Deuk Spine Institute, and this is one of my lovely patients. And we actually work together at the same hospital, but we didn't go to the hospital for your neck surgery, do we?
No. We came to Deuk Spine Institute.
And what'd you have done?
A ACDF, C5, 6, and 6-7.
And why would you go through a spinal surgery like a fusion like that?
The pain I was experiencing over the past 8-9 years just got to the point where I couldn't take it anymore. And I knew I had to do something, and knowing your reputation and having a history with you, there was only one place to come.
Thank you. And that pain you're talking about was neck pain going into your arm?
Neck pain radiating all the way down to my arm, numbness, tingling, just sometimes debilitating.
Yeah, I can imagine. And so did the numbness and tingling get better?
We did the surgery, 1 week ago today?
1 week ago.
Everything that I came in with, all the pain that I experienced prior to the surgery, is gone.
Wonderful. Praise God. Congratulations.
Well, thank you very much.
Keep on the path of recovery.
We'll do that.
All right. Nice seeing you.